Want to learn how to invest in the stock market but don't know where to start? Well, books are one of the smartest and safest places to begin. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 share market books for beginners, not just the titles, but what they teach you, how they help you invest smarter, and why every beginner should read them. Let's get into it. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is the most legendary investing book ever written, and for good reason. What it teaches: the concept of value investing, buying stocks below their true worth, how to stay calm during market ups and downs, the difference between investing versus speculating, how it helps you invest. You'll learn how to analyze a stock's intrinsic value, build a long-term mindset, and avoid emotional decisions, which is key for new investors. Lesson learned: the market is a voting machine in the short term, but a weighing machine in the long term. Meaning, over time, fundamentals win. 2. A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market by Matthew R. Kratter. This book is like a starter pack for stock market beginners. What it teaches: how the stock market actually works, how to open your first brokerage account, what types of stocks and ETFs to invest in, basic strategies to grow your portfolio, how it helps you invest. You'll be able to take your first real steps into investing with confidence. It breaks down complex terms like dividends, market orders, and index funds into plain English. Lesson learned: keep it simple. Invest in strong companies or index funds and avoid chasing hot stocks. 3. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This book teaches you to trust your common sense and observe the world around you. What it teaches: how you can spot great investment opportunities in everyday life, the difference between different types of stocks, cyclical, turnaround, growth, how Peter Lynch made millions by investing in companies people use every day, how it helps you invest. Instead of relying only on charts or news, you'll learn how to spot potential winners from what you already use, like a popular new coffee chain or tech brand. Lesson learned: if you use the product and love it, maybe it's worth investing in the company. 4. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. This one goes deeper into analyzing companies, perfect if you want to level up. What it teaches: how to evaluate a company's management quality, why innovation and research and development matter, 15 key points to look for in a stock before investing, how it helps you invest. It trains you to think long-term and analyze whether a company will still be growing in 10 or 20 years. It's less about short-term gains and more about choosing the right business. Lesson learned: buy great companies, not just great stocks. 5. The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. This is 5. The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Enthusiastically, this is the most fun and formula-based book on the list. What it teaches: clearly, a simple mathematical investing strategy called the Magic Formula. How to combine return on capital and earnings yield to find undervalued but profitable companies thoughtfully. Why you should follow rules and not emotions. How it helps you invest confidently. This book gives you a clear step-by-step strategy to pick good stocks. No guesswork. You can literally apply the formula using online tools or spreadsheets. Lesson learned: wisely. Consistency beats hype. Stick to a proven formula and let time do the work. Triumphantly, there you have it. 5 powerful books that don't just teach you how the stock market works, but how to actually invest like a pro. From building the right mindset to using practical strategies, each book gives you tools you can apply right away. Engagingly. Which one are you starting with? Drop it in the comments below, energetically. And if you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend who's just starting out, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing content.